In this video, we are going to practice multiplying mixed numbers. Now, to multiply a mixed number, the first step that we want to take is we want to change those mixed numbers into improper fractions. So let me remind you how to do that. We're going to take your denominator, you're going to multiply it times the number sitting right here. So you're going to multiply those. You're going to get an answer. Whatever answer you get, you're going to add the top number. So 3 times 12 is 36. We're going to add the 1 on and get 37. Now, it started out as a 12th. It stays a 12th. Now, let's do the next one. 20 times 4. So you're going to do that first. 20 times 4, that's 80. Plus 3 is 83. Now, from here, once you have any number, any two numbers that are fractional that you are trying to multiply, we are just going to multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So we're going to multiply 37 and 83 and 12 and 20. Now you can check to see if there is any way that we can reduce those numbers. There is not. So we're just going to multiply 37 times 83. We get 3,071. And then we're going to multiply 12 times 20. And 12 times 20 is 240. Now, you're done, technically. But many times if you started with mixed numbers, it's not a bad idea to go back to being a mixed number. So how do we do that? Well, you're going to look and see how many times can you divide 3,071 by 240. And so what we find is, if we do division here, if we put our okay. So 240 is 3 digits. So we want 3 digits. So we're going to go just above the 7 there. And 240 can go into 307 just once. So we're going to put that 1 there. And then 1 times 240 is 240. Put it underneath and subtract. So we get 7. We're going to borrow from the 3 to make this a 2 and that a 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. 2 minus 2 is nothing. And then bring down the next one. Do it again. Now, if I double 240, I get 480. If I do 3 times 240, 3 times 240 is 720, more than the 671 that I have. So put a 2 here, and then subtract 480. So 1 minus 0 is 1. We're going to borrow from the 6. We're going to make it a 5, and then the 7 becomes a 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. And then 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so that gives us everything we need. Stop there. We don't want the decimal. We just want to keep going. So that becomes 12 wholes. We have 191. That's our remainder left over. And from the start, we had our denominator here of 240. So that is one example of how you multiply mixed numbers. I hope that helps. If it helped, please like the video and subscribe to my page. Thanks.